This channel that I found has over 50,000 followers and 2.5 million views, has literally blown up and gotten monetized in under 3 videos. And you're probably thinking right now that it was all luck, but it wasn't. And I'm going to show you a secret method that only a few YouTubers know that can literally fucking blow up your channel in the matter of a month. If you're watching this video, you've probably been through the process of creating a YouTube channel yourself, but ended up flopping and quitting. But what I'm about to share with you is going to blow your mind and change the way you look at the YouTube algorithm. So first, let's talk about the YouTube algorithm, the complex system that controls the success of your YouTube channel. In the YouTube algorithm, there are 2 important metrics that controls your videos. In this video, I will be covering one of the 2 metrics. Now, let me tell you this before we start. There are 2 main points to succeed in controlling the first metric. The first important metric is click-through and interest rate. Now, let me tell you something. No matter how good your video is, your video will not do well without an intriguing thumbnail. Think about it like this. If you were walking around in Disney World, looking at the scenery, wouldn't you be surprised if you saw a guy with a robotic arm walk across you? The same thing goes with your thumbnails. If you post the same boring thumbnails that everyone posts, why would anyone want to click on your video? It doesn't pop and doesn't make the viewers feel like your video is unique or worth watching. So start being unique and start creating intriguing thumbnails. But hey, don't get the wrong idea now, because thumbnails with many tiny details and exciting colors doesn't always work out. A thumbnail with very few elements makes it easier for the viewer to process what's going on in the video, in result making your video stick out compared to the other videos. The second main point in the first metric is always the downfall of most YouTubers, and they always fail because they always create unoriginal thumbnails. Let me explain. The thumbnails that always fails is the clean-looking thumbnail that attracts viewers. But there's one thing wrong with it. The thumbnail looks like everyone else's thumbnails. Trust me, people are tired of scrolling and seeing the same cookie-cutter thumbnails being replicated on their whole Explore page, because when they see it, they expect the video to be like every other video they've watched. YouTube is way too oversaturated for you to be walking around with the same old boring thumbnails as everyone else. So how can you stand out from all the other boring people? You simply just look at what works and change it up juristically, so it looks much different from the unoriginal thumbnails. This works so well because when people see a thumbnail that looks similar but has different aspects, it makes them feel like it will be a great video and a unique one. Now you know how to come up with interesting thumbnail ideas. You need to apply this in your next video, instead of copying everyone's thumbnail and putting less effort into your content. So if you want to continue learning more in depth about YouTube and how you're able to create a branded YouTube channel, check out our Discord community in the description below. I can't wait to see some of you guys there and also help you guys on your YouTube journey. Make sure to also like and subscribe if you found this video valuable and entertaining. Peace.